आज की मेन इवेंट फाइट के लिए हम दावत देते हैं ब्लू कॉर्नर अमजद खान, ब्लू कॉर्नर।
अपने क्रू के साथ केज की तरफ तशरीफ ला चुके हैं शहरयार जो कि
अब हम दावत देंगे को किलर जट के नाम से जाना जाता है, रेड कॉर्नर असद वलेच।
आपका नाम क्या है? अमजद खान।
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment all have been waiting for. This is the main event of the evening. Fighting in the blue corner, fighting out of Lahore, representing Team Mikado. We have the one and only standing and proud in the blue corner, Amjad Khan. And his opponent fighting in the red corner, we have who is being called the Killer Jet in the red corner, fighting out of Lahore, representing A Gardens, the one and only, standing tall and proud, standing like a lion, roaring like a lion, the one, the only, Asad Jaya. Referee of this fight, OS Shaw.
इसी इवेंट के अंदर कमेंट्री स्टार्ट की और माशाल्लाह बड़ी ज़बरदस्त कमेंट्री की उन्होंने, बड़ी ज़बरदस्त अनाउंसमेंट कर रहे हैं। मसब सैफ इस वक्त बाहर तशरीफ ला चुके हैं। अमजद खान इज रेडी, असद वड़ैच इज रेडी। वी आर एक्साइटेड। आर यू एक्साइटेड? आर यू एक्साइटेड? फाइट स्टार्ट होने जा रही है इस वक्त। असद वड़ैच वर्सेस अमजद खान। असद वड़ैच वर्सेस अमजद खान। फाइट स्टार्ट हो चुकी है। असद वड़ैच ने इनसाइड लेग किक से चेक किया और इस वक्त
आपको मैं बता दूं, असद के पास जो पावर है ना इसके पंचेस में, इज सेकंड टू नन। मैंने इसको फेस किया है अपनी फाइट्स में। इसके पास जो इसके हैंड्स में पावर है, ट्रस्ट मी, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा है। अगर ये इसने वन पंच भी इसको लैंड किया, ही कैन नॉक हिम आउट। ऑन द अदर हैंड हमारे पास जो फाइटर है वो बीजेजे, उनकी काफ़ी अच्छी, काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस है अपनी ब्राज़ीलियन जिजित्सु में। काफ़ी अच्छे टेक डाउन्स हैं इनके और ग्राउंड पे इनका ख़ास तौर पे बड़ा अच्छा एक एक्सपीरियंस है। असद को मेरे ख्याल से ये फाइट जितना वो हो सके उसको स्ट्राइकिंग में इसको रखना चाहिए। और ऑन द अदर हैंड अमजद खान को he should try to take him down and go for the experience he has gotten. तो काशिफ क्या कहेंगे? A body lock for Amjad Khan. And Asad is pressuring in the cage. It's not a good position. It's not a good place for Amjad Khan. And now he's pressuring on cage. A strong battle of clinch. This is gonna strong battle of clinches. Beautiful nail through the body by Killer Jet. Now they get out of the clinch. Beautiful low kick by Amjad Khan. Brilliant sprawl by Killer Jet. Now he's on top. Now he's on top. I don't think so. It's a good idea. He's going for heel hook. He's going for heel hook. Jet is in trouble. Now he's get out of the position. He secure his back. He secure landing some bombs. Amjad Khan has very slicky jiu-jitsu. Asad need to very be careful on the ground. And now he's on top in half guard. He's throwing elbows. What do you think about Masab this fight?
I think this is Asad is truly dominating the rounds, and for his experience in jiu-jitsu, he's doing really well against such an experienced fighter. Man, this is an amazing fight. This is very energy. This fight is going on crazy. We have Asad on the one hand. We have Asad with striking exchange, but he's showing good experience, good ground game, ground skills as well. What do you think? How does he need to approach Amjad Khan? How does he need to approach this fight? How should he go on in this fight? What do you think?
I mean, one leg in. Amjad Khan is trying to sweep, and he again going for heel hook. Jet need to be careful on that position. Now he's safe. He's trying to go and take his back. He's going to take his back.
I think Asad needs to just stand with him. He doesn't need to go in ground with him, but I think he's done a lot of damage to him, to Amjad Khan. He's bleeding, I think. He's bleeding. उसामा भाई, क्या लगता है आपको इस फाइट के बारे में? कहाँ तक अब ये जा रही है और कौन डोमिनेट कर रहा है इस फाइट को?
देखिए, अभी तक तो असद वड़ाइच ये फाइट जीत रहा है मेरे हिसाब से, क्योंकि वो ग्राउंड पे भी, लेकिन आप देखिए कि इस वक्त अमजद खान टॉप पर आ चुके हैं, क्योंकि उनकी ग्राउंड की हाई लेवल स्किल की वजह से जुजुत्सु इनकी बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत अच्छी जुजुत्सु इनकी। इस वक्त ये ऊपर आ चुके हैं और मेरे ख्याल में इलीगल नहीं उन्होंने ग्राउंड से जो है ना फेस पर लगा दी।
जिस तरह का रिवर्सल अमजद खान ने किया है, उससे उनकी काबिलियत का जो उनकी ग्राउंड गेम में है उनका अंदाजा हो रहा है। I think he's trying to secure a darts on him. He has again taken his back. I think he's going to finish.
10 seconds.
Majority of the fight, it has been dominated by, what a punch, what a heavy punch, man. What a heavy punch by Amjad Khan.
Time.
Oh, the time is up. Round has been called off. Asad has kind of dominated this fight in both the fields, in the striking department, in the ground department. He's doing very well. Amjad Khan, on the other hand, at last, at the final stage of this round, he kind of secured reversal on him, and he's just trying to be in the fight, to be in the rounds as well. While as on the other hand, Asad Waraich has done a good job keeping him on distance. And when he went into the grappling exchanges, he did well in the
Second outs.
He did well in the grappling department as well. तो काशिफ, क्या कहेंगे आपको इस फाइट में? अमजद को किस तरह की स्ट्रैटेजी अपनानी चाहिए और असद को जीतने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए?
I mean, the way Asad Waraj, he's dominated his first round. I think now he needs to show the same plan for the second round because he is dominating on ground as well. But he needs to go to the ground and very be careful because Amjad has a slick jiu-jitsu. Like we see first round, the killer Judd dominated from start to end. And let's see how this round goes. Oh, hard hook by Amjad Khan. What exchanges, what exchanges. Beautiful double leg by Killer Jet. He's in half guard. He take him down. He's trying to pass the guard. What do you think about Masab?
I think what an exchange, man. What an heavy exchange it was by both the fighters. They showed really an aggression in both the ends. But what a level change by Asad Jet. What an amazing timing it was by Asad Jet. The way he secured the takedown, it was really amazing. I didn't feel like he has less of a ground. Whoa! What a standing kick on the very face of Asad Jet. What an amazing fight, man. This is really getting exciting. A minute by minute, second by second, is getting more exciting. He's trying to get a heel hook again. I think Asad needs to be very careful about this. He needs to be very careful. Asad is going for I think ankle pick. Oh man, this is going to be really close. It's a 50-50 position. Both the fighters have the ankles of their opponents. I think they need to be really careful about this. Amjad is trying to go for the heel hook, but let's see if Asad is going to let him. I think he's going to secure it. It's very deep, man. It's very deep. He's going to tap any moment if he didn't. Oh man, he got his back. He got his back. I told you I think Asad has shown an amazing ground game in this fight. I didn't expect Asad to be such a good in the ground game. What do you think, Kashif?
I mean, this guy surprised me. He's a brilliant striker. And now also, he's in triangle. It's not completely loud, but he's in trouble. He's throwing a fist on his belly. Asad is still is on triangle choke. Now he's north-south position. And Amjad Khan is giving damage on his body. I mean, what an impressive ground game by Asad Waraj. I was expecting striking from him, but he impressed. He showed beautiful double leg takedown in the both round. First round he completely dominated, and now Amjad Khan, he's on top. Had he giving damage? He is in side control position. Knee on belly. Beautiful sweep by Asad Waraj. Now a fight on stand up. They both guy on stand up.
I think it would be wise for Asad to stand up with him, not to go in grappling exchanges with him. Oh man, what a spinning attempt, spinning fist. No, he's giving all. Oh man, Amjad with a left hook. He's bleeding. I think he's got a cut on his eye. Asad needs to be really careful. Asad is doing really well in both the departments, but in my surprise, Amjad is doing well as well, very good in both the departments as well. I think Asad had underestimated his striking, and on the other hand, Amjad had underestimated his ground game. Both fighters seem to be surprised with their the preparation they had done for this fight. Both of them have been preparing like hell. What an amazing fight, man. This is really amazing to watch them fight live from this really close look. I think he's going to secure. Oh, he secured the takedown. Amjad has secured it. Over to you. I think he's throwing elbows, nasty elbows. Asad is trying to survive. I think he needs to get up and shake him off. He's trying to secure the mount. He is in the mount, man. Oh, the way he waved him off. He needs to get up right now. Asad is in danger right now.
I mean, it's not a good news for Asad Viraj. He need to get up.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
10 seconds to this fight.
10 seconds.
And Amjad Khan throwing kicks. He has cut down his.
Time.
What a crazy round.
कैसी
What a
लगी
crazy
फाइट?
round.
मजा आया? जोरदार क्लैपिंग कीजिए दोनों के
Amjad
लिए.
has cut open on his eyes. What a beautiful round for both guys. Blood, sweat. They're both tired. Let's see what their game plan bring for third round. What a round.
ब्रदर
We
Time's
have
up, time's up.
Last round of this main event. Fight is going crazy. The fighter is going crazy.
टाइम्स अप, टाइम्स अप.
I mean, what a night.
लास्ट राउंड के लिए सब एक्साइटेड है. आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Both fighters get up. They are ready for final round.
लास्ट राउंड.
And let's see how this round goes. Asad is looking a little bit tired. Amjad is looking a little bit tired. Let's see. Beautiful 1-2.
जिस इंटेंसिटी के साथ पहले दो राउंड्स गए हैं, कुछ भी हो सकता है. कोई कुछ भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते, हम कुछ भी प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते इस फाइट में. जिस हिसाब से ये दोनों फाइटर्स खेल रहे हैं और हार्ड शो कर रहे हैं इस फाइट में, they just want to win this fight at any cost, man. I can see the fire in both of their eyes. I think दोनों को, oh man. Oh, what a spinning attack. Back of the head लगा, but बिल्कुल लीगल था क्योंकि he didn't intend to attack. यहाँ पे हमें देखना चाहिए, बहुत ही क्लोज. कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. किसी का भी पंच लैंड कर गया, कुछ भी हो सकता है. It can be a decision or knockout any time. उसामा भाई.
हाँ जी, बड़ी इंटेंसिटी के साथ फाइट चल रही है. मैं तो फाइट के अंदर इतना मगन हो गया हूँ, इतना खो गया हूँ कि मुझे उधर इधर समझ ही कुछ नहीं आ रही. बस फाइट के ऊपर फोकस किया हुआ है. फर्स्ट राउंड जो है असद ने डोमिनेट किया, सेकंड राउंड जो है अमजद ने डोमिनेट किया और थर्ड राउंड में दोनों स्ट्राइक इस वक्त लैंड कर रहे हैं. देखते हैं ये फाइट कौन जीता है. बड़ी एक्साइटिंग फाइट हो रही है और असद ने टेक डाउन किया. असद ने टेक डाउन अटेम्प्ट किया. असद हालांकि हम स्ट्राइकर उनको कंसिडर करते हैं, लेकिन असद इस वक्त अपने टेक डाउन पे गया और असद ने टेक डाउन सिक्योर किया.
यहाँ पे मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा, असद ने जो डेडिकेशन दिखाई है इस फाइट के लिए, इसकी जो परफॉर्मेंस है, यहाँ पर जो लेवल अप हुआ है, उसकी हमें दाद देनी पड़ेगी. क्योंकि इसको सभी, जैसा कि आपने बताया, सभी स्ट्राइकर समझते हैं, लेकिन जिस तरह के लेवल चेंजेस असद ने यहाँ पे शो कराए हैं, आई एम अमेज्ड टू सी हिज परफॉर्मेंस, द वे ही टुक हिम डाउन. Oh man, Amjad is going for the Americana. Sorry, Kimura. He's going for the Kimura. Excuse me. तो बहुत ही असद को प्रॉप देना चाहेंगे यहाँ पे. बहुत ही अमेजिंग परफॉर्मेंस है बोथ फाइटर्स की. कभी भी उसको लूज नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. It's really close, man. It's going to be deep. Asad is in danger. It's deep danger right now.
Now Amjad Khan is giving damage from bottom. Asad is geared up. Asad need to very be careful. Amjad get up. They're both watching each other. They're finding opening. Front kick by Ajmal.
जो लेवल इस गेम में जो असद ने शो किया है, जो इम्प्रूवमेंट शो किया है, दैट इज रियली अमेजिंग मैन। इस तरह की इम्प्रूवमेंट्स हमें देखने को मिलती हैं।
Last 10 seconds. Time's up. कैसी लगी फाइट? आवाज नहीं आ रही। अमजद खान मिल रही है असद वैज। दोनों फाइटर के लिए यार क्लैपिंग कीजिए।
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 hard-fought rounds, we go to the judges' scorecard for the decision. Judge 1 scored this bout 30-29 in favor of red corner. Judge 2 scored best in favor of red corner. Judge 3 scored this corner in favor of, again, red corner for your winner by unanimous decision. Fighting out of red corner for your winner, Asad, the killer!